Hey everybody, this is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. I don't know, I was doing stuff for an hour. And then I came out and it is snowing. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. I hate this. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you see the snow on my porch? Snow everywhere. There's snow everywhere, guys. Oh my God. And look, there's a light on. That's where the criminals hang out, right there. That light that just turned on over there. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. This is a storm. This is a snowstorm, and it just started. Holy crap. Oh my God, look. I'm walking to the Cats building. Look at the snow. Oh my goodness. Guys. Look, holy I can't even say it. Oh my God. Oh my God, the wind is crazy. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go into the Cat building and get back home and hope for the best in the morning, folks. Signing off for now.